A little bit of many things. A little bit of a filmmaker, a little bit of a CEO, a little bit of a speaker, a little bit of a coach, a little bit of a writer, but a lot of a learner. I've always very proudly been in people's backsides, wanting them to live their best life possible, wanting to know what's holding them back, what their weaknesses are, what their strengths are, what makes them tick, what are their stories more than anything else. I've just always wanted to learn. I honestly believe from the bottom of my heart that the life that has more learning is the life that does more living. And if you're able to teach what you know and help others grow, that is the biggest blessing and the biggest service you can do for people around you. So come join the ride. I'm no sage on the stage, just a guide on the side.
I think as Vincent van Gogh said, if there's a voice in your head that says you cannot paint, paint, and the voice will shut up. So just do it.
So jump on this happy journey with an open heart and a mind that's free. Lend me your ears and I'll share as I grow. Let's be more than we think we can be.